Everyone, what I'm about to do, I just want you guys to know that I'm not quite a huge fan of, but then I thought, you know what, why not? And feel free to skip this video because I'll be applying object-oriented programming. Okay, so this is the problem on hand, and I've already given you guys two solutions. However, this one right here is exactly the same as what we had before, except that I wanted to create the matrix differently. I want to delegate the process of creating the matrix on a new method. Let's start by doing that. Public static void public static void create matrix. Okay. An unfamiliar thing about this method is it's not taking things like a metric, things like an array or some parameters which are primitive types. This time around, we're gonna be taking a scanner as an argument. Okay. Once we're done doing that, I'll simply do this. I'm copying everything there. Oh, wow. Oh, you know what? For a change, let's make this take two things actually. God, matrix. Let's make it take two things. Oh wow, so now we want to remove all of this, then simply invoke this method here. So what is it we're gonna pass it? We're gonna pass it an array. Remember guys, array are passed by reference. Okay, meaning we can create it right here and then pass it to this method. But so as a result of that, its content might change depending on whether or not create method did modify elements on the given matrix. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm creating an array, a two-dimensional array. Okay, I'm creating a two-dimensional array. And then I'm in the scan as well, and then I'm passing those two objects into this create method, into this create matrix method. Okay, and then that's gonna be about it, you guys. There's absolutely nothing left. See, this content of this method is what we saw before, so there's absolutely nothing complex about it. I just want you guys to see this is one of many ways one can go about solving this problem. So let's try numbers, something like 1, 2. Oh, gosh, you know what, this is actually taking me to another point. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4 is actually my first row, so my second one will be 5 will times 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let me write the third and the fourth ones properly. So let me just go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 5, 7. Okay, check this out, guys. So from number 1 all the way up to number 4, that's my first row. So it's gonna be 1 plus from number 1 to from 5 to 8, it's my second row. So it's gonna be 1 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7, which is nothing else but 17. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. I just thought I should mention things that we haven't yet covered. Okay, and that is object-oriented programming. It's fun to work with, you guys. In fact, it is powerful in a way that you would literally find it everywhere. Okay, cheers, you guys. Let me just wrap it up for now. I'm gone.